Hello and welcome to the, at least for now, last part of the series. Um, I will, of course, do more documentary if needed. If something new comes in, I will do a new video. But okay, in this last part, let's go talk about the update feature I implemented today. Yeah, it was today. So to use that feature, you have, of course, to download the program again from my site, the updated one. It's there's only one there, but it's already updated because I posted it on Reddit, and some of you just downloaded the new wiki and not the program itself, so it won't bring you anything. Okay, so if you have your wiki created like we did in the series, we have created in the first part this XML, and of course we want to show our users, hey, there's an update, okay, so you don't have to reach every one of them. If they use your wiki, they will be informed if there's a new update, if you set this file correct. As we can see, projects, UniversalWiki, I've made something. Okay. If you see here, the version I have on this PC is 1.0, and on the server it's 1.1. So, like your users have an outdated version, but on the server there's already a newer version, then this will happen. So, a new update available. So, if you click yes, your browser will open with a link, and you will have to download it and just paste it in your games folder, and you're done. So, we won't do that. I just want to show you how you can do that on your own. We have here, okay, UniversalWiki. We go into our game folder and open that XML. And this XML is already set up correctly, and I will explain you the individual pieces. Okay, so the version will show which version there is on the PC. Like this version of the UniversalWiki The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time is 1.0. And that's very important to update that with each update. So if you will just update the server and say, hey, there's already 1.1 out, and they will download 1.1. But in 1.1, there will be shown 1.0, and hey, there's an update, it's already 1.1, and they will download that, and you got the message, it's endlessly, so you have to do that. Go, okay. Date doesn't do anything right now, but I will have a really big system planned on my website with login and register, and everyone can just post its own wiki there with dates and change logs and when you changed and things like that. But for now it's kind of useless. I'm going to do that so my users see when I updated it the last. It's some nice info to them. Okay, that's about the date. And the important thing, update. If you don't want to release it on my side, then this is the wrong link. If you want to release your wiki on your side and you have some web space somewhere or I don't know what, and you have this update link, must show where another XML lies. So at this link there must be another The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time XML. It can be exactly the same, and sometimes it is exactly the same, but this version will change. Each time you're going to open UniversalWiki and select a game, it will try to search for an update. For that reason it may needs 3 seconds each time you select a different game, because it will search for updates. And yeah, that's it. So it will look at this path. Is there any file that's The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time.xml, and if that exists, in this file, is there version 1.1 or something higher or something else? And if there's something different in there, you can do downgrade. Like if you want to do on your server, you made a mistake on the version things and just want to correct it, so you typed in 1.2, but you didn't had 1.1. You can just do 1.1 on the server, and it will say, hey, new version, and it's obviously the same, but this number changed. So if you made a mistake, that's not no problem. You can go down with the numbers, and up there's no limit. You can version 1 million trillion, I don't know. So okay, and that's it, I think. One important note: this is a directory. If you want open this link, you will go to a directory of my server, and if it will found an update, it will like I've told you in the first part. But if you don't saw that, then in the second part, if you don't saw that, then I will show you again. It will search in this folder the Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time .rar and .xml without you inputting anything specific. Just see that these 2 files are inside this directory on your server. The spaces, it's okay to have spaces, so it won't destroy anything. So it will look in this path after the XML, and if the version changes from the version you have on your PC, it will download this file on this link, and that's it. It's, I think, simple for a complete update system in your own. Just enter this link and have this booth files, and yeah. As I said in the first or second part, I don't know, sorry, I will put template files for every XML file on my website in the description, and if you need more advice, just ask me and I will be happy to answer your questions. My Skype information, Chakratos, and my website is www.chakratos.comlu.com. So if you need any information, search for me and I will answer your questions. Okay, and of course on the website there is some Facebook information, so you can add me on Facebook or write me some messages if you want, and I would be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching the series. If you have any questions, as I said to the 5th time, ask me, and until next time, see you.